Hi, I am Starkey from driftworks.com, and today I'm looking at the Japan Racing JR28. So the JR28 is available in diameters from 17 inch all the way up to a massive 20 inch and from 8 inches wide all the way up to 10.5 inches. As for PCDs, this is a 5-stud PCD wheel, available in PCDs from 5x100 to 5x120, so for BMWs and that sort of thing. We can custom drill this wheel, so if you have something unusual that we don't list, JR can custom drill PCDs for an additional cost. So this wheel is available in 3 colours: Hyper Black, which you can see here, which is like a shadowy chrome, silver, like an OEM silver colour, or you can get it in matte black as well. We really like this wheel. It's like an OEM replacement wheel, so it will look great on Audis, BMWs. It will look great on Audis, BMWs, Volkswagens, lots and lots of things like that. And with it being a one-piece wheel, it's got a slight amount of concave. This will change ever so slightly depending on the width of the wheel you choose. So yeah, it's a great wheel, will look great on a huge number of cars.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.